Hey guys, welcome back to the video guys, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to quickly and easily guys, add the Matchain network to your MetaMask wallet. It's really easy and simple. I'm going to guide you step by step guys. So first things first, of course, what I need you to do is I need you to first open up your MetaMask wallet, okay? You can use the browser extension or the mobile app, whichever one you prefer. Just log in with your credentials to access your wallet. Next, guys, what I want you to do is I want you to go to the network selector at the top of the screen, where it basically says Ethereum mainnet or another network name. Just click on that, okay, and select Add Network or Custom RPC. Now, guys, you basically need the Matchain network details. So these include the network name, the RPC URL, the chain ID, the currency symbol, and the block explorer URL. So this is the information you're basically going to need, okay? So for network name, I want you to put in Matchain, okay? Put in Matchain. For RPC URL, I want you to insert the Matchain RPC URL. For chain ID, I need you to insert the Matchain chain ID. For currency symbol, I want you to put in match like this, okay? Match. And then for the block explorer URL, I want you to just insert the Matchain block explorer URL. Just copy paste these details into the appropriate fields in MetaMask. Double check guys for accuracy. Then you want to click save and add, okay, or add. This is very important that you double check for accuracy guys, because if you make a mistake here, your funds are lost forever. You cannot reverse these things in crypto. You would lose it forever, guys. So you cannot make any mistakes here, okay? So once saved, what's going to happen is MetaMask will basically switch to the Matchain network automatically. So now you're ready, guys, to use Matchain on your wallet for transactions, staking or other activities. And there you have it, guys. Adding a Matchain network to MetaMask is that simple. So if this video helped, guys, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel as well, subscribe to Find Your Solution. And until next time, guys, I'll see you in the next video.